What's up guys, and welcome back to B4Crypto. In today's video we're going to look at the long-term perspective of Bitcoin. And yes guys, your time is running up. So guys, if you're new to this channel, pause the video, smash up the like button and subscribe. And if you're new to the crypto universe, open your account on Bitget to receive a major deposit bonus, and also make sure to B4Crypto. And guys, let's start with the video. Welcome back to B4Crypto, and guys, first of all, we're going to look at the logarithmic chart of Bitcoin on the weekly chart. So guys, first of all, this blue arrow represents the previous halving, and that was the first halving we had on the 26th of November 2012. And guys, we're going to look at the cycles where we had this bullish moves towards the upside and also to the halving. And guys, then we are going to look at the downtrends from the all-time high to the lows. We're going to start in the year 2012, and guys, you could see we had this bullish move towards the halving exactly here, and then we started with this parabolic run towards the all-time high in the year 2013, and we have reached our all-time high at exactly $1,366. And guys, afterwards we could see that we had this massive long downtrend towards the bottom. So guys, the bottom was round about $158. We're going to look at the time we have been in this downtrend, and guys, you can see that this time was the 392 days where we were in this downward sloping trend until we reached our bottom exactly here guys. And then we could see that we had this bullish moves towards the halving exactly here on the 4th of July 2016. And guys, afterwards you could see that we had this parabolic move towards the upside to the all-time high in the year 2017 at round about $20,900. So guys, afterwards we could see that we had this massive dump. First we are going to find out how many days we have spent in this bullish move towards the new all-time high exactly from the bottom. So guys, as you can see, we have spent 1,071 days in this bullish move towards the new all-time high. We have reached the all-time high exactly here. So guys, now we're going to look at this downward sloping trend, and we could see that we dumped all the way down to a level of $2,800. And guys, we have spent 371 days in this downward sloping trend until we have reached the bottom. So guys, let's drag the chart a little bit over. So guys, it was round about the same time. It was 21 days less. So guys, we're going to find out from this bottom that we have formed in the year 2018. We could see that the price movement went all the way up in this bullish move towards the halving, and after the halving, when we have reached the halving, we have started with this parabolic run towards the upside. So guys, you could see that we have reached the all-time high round about at $69,000. And guys, you could see that the time we have spent in this bullish move from the bottom towards the new all-time high was round about 1,050 days. So it was again 20 days less. So guys, now we're going to look at the time span from the previous all-time high that we are in this downward sloping trend at the moment. So guys, you can see that exactly here in the beginning of November we have reached our 371 days. But guys, this would only be if we would have the exactly same time period as the previous cycle. But guys, we are going to find out now how many days we are already in this downward sloping trend. So guys, we're going to take it from the all-time high to the exact week we are at the moment. So guys, if we drag it over exactly here, we are going to see that we are at the moment at 322 days in this downward sloping trend. So guys, if we're going to deduct 21 days from the 371, we would exactly be at 250. But guys, maybe history doesn't repeat itself and we are going to see the bottom even shorter, or the bottom is already in. So guys, this is why your time is running up, because guys, if you buy in these areas, you'll buy the bottom. And guys, that's why I'm telling you with a lot of confidence, and yes, maybe some financial advice, guys, buy cryptocurrencies exactly now. Pause the video, go down in the video description below and follow my Bitget link to receive a major deposit bonus and also to receive a $5 bonus by just completing your KYC. So guys, if you want to make more of your money and invest into cryptocurrencies and see some major gains within the next 1071 days until we're going to reach a new all-time high, guys, invest into cryptocurrencies because this is really going to be a parabolic run. And guys, look at all these percentages that we have made. If we look at the percentage gain from the previous low exactly to our previous all-time high, you can see that we have seen a profit of 2044%. And guys, let's look at the previous cycles. We could see that in the year 2015 all the way to the new all-time high in the year 2017, where we have reached $19,000, we had a percentage gain of 12,317%. And guys, do you want to invest into cryptocurrencies and achieve financial freedom with your investment? Guys, subscribe to my channel and we are going to start this next parabolic cycle together. So guys, make sure to be for crypto, smash up the like button and subscribe, and we see each other in the next video.